What's up, everyone? Fast Furious Josh here. Today, got a little bit of fixing on the Supra. Got a carbon fiber emblem that broke. Got some handy dandy super glue. Then we got these right here. So these you can see in the light. These are like a trim piece. So it's gonna look. Alright, here's what we got on the emblem. So when I'm washing the car, I like this emblem. It's pretty dope. I like how it's carbon, but I would love if the whole emblem was carbon, like this whole thing, because it sits on here. So when you're drying it, heck, you can see right here, here's like a microfiber. You gotta be very careful because it catches this. Like, look at that. I got so lucky that this did not all break off, because I should be able to just super glue this guy right here. Bang, just like that. That's what I'm going for. Super glue here, and here, and there, and there. This one. So you can see that's how it wasn't connected. That's already had super glue. Dang, got super glue on my finger. If anybody ever got super glue on their finger, they understand what I'm about to go through. That shit's annoying. There it is. See? There it is. Fucking on my finger. Bang. What's up, everyone? It's Fast Furious Josh here. Today we are going to be installing trim. Okay? Now here's what we got going on. This is the window trim kit. This one right here. It's gonna sit like this. We're gonna build this like that. This one right here. Yep. And then we have this one. So it's gonna sit like this. So here's how you first install anything with the 3M tape. You want to prepare for this. Get it all nice and prepped. I take some alcohol. I take a nice clean towel. Just start all the dirt, everything off of this. Oh, this Florida, dude, it's so hot. It's done. Now, here's one thing that I do want to check. When we do this, we're going to want to make sure, first off, that I quit grabbing the same pieces. So this one will go here. I think what we're going to want to do is come here and look at this right here. I think I'm gonna want to build it here first. Or actually, I think I want to build it at the door first. I want to see how far the door is. So I think how to install this the correct way is we're going to have to also tape it down to hold it. You can see it has a flex to it. So right there. Looks like that's the farthest in there. And if I go right here, I mean here, look at the fitment inside. Looks pretty good. What you thinking? Yeah, I just got to somehow keep it down because it's going to want to pop like that. For sure it'll hold here with 3M, but right here, she's gonna want to come off real quick. So I just stand here. What is it, Captain Morgan? Captain Morgan, this thing, it's rock and roll. So here's how we go with this. We're gonna take this off right now. I like to do stuff just boom, let's get her done. 2 strips, here we go. One. Strip number 2. Here's how this works. This is 3M. When you get the red on the back, that's extremely, you get pretty much one shot sometimes. And in this heat, I got one shot. So let me make sure I got
Flip
this.
it.
Flip it. Right? We're gonna go from the bottom first. Okay, can you hand me that rag, please, bro? Oh, I wiped this down. I got it somewhat sticky, but like I told you, it's gonna bow right here. So I do is I get me a microfiber, because if you pull with your fingers, man, you're gonna hurt your fingers, bend your thing. Just take a nice microfiber like this. Trust me, I'm the motherfucking 3M professional. Just keep wiping it like that. You're getting the air bubbles, you're getting all the seat. Today's a beautiful day to do this because it's hot as hell outside. This shit just gonna stick. It ain't coming back down. It might, but I highly doubt it, because I got tape here, then I have tape here. So always remember where your tape was before you install your pieces. Boom, there's the first one. Cool. All right, we got, looks good. We're gonna install this one. Now here's what's cool. I don't wanna install this till late, but you see right here, you can see on my finger, there's actually a lip right here. So it does perfectly right here. It gets right under there, like so. Like boom, okay, so. Let's see if I can bat 4 for 4. 3M tape, I will tell you, is probably sometimes the most difficult thing is to get this guy right here. We don't have nails. That's a guy with race car problems. There we go. Let's see. 1, 2, do we get it? 1, 2, 3, come on. Got her. Almost get her, got her. Fishing, 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 fishing. Got it, boom, bada bang. All right, ready? So I'm gonna go with the first corner. This is 3M. I'll take this off so I can be precise on this thing. It looks like the sheet goes right there. It fits perfectly. Now the hard part is you might not want to proper. Wherever this line is where this is gonna go. I'm thinking right here is a level. Rubber to rubber, don't see shit. That's where I dropped her. I dropped her right in the middle. So if you can see right here, there's a metal. I tried to drop her as level as I could. So when you get it to here, if you start here, you can bend this, you can form it differently, you can mess it all up. So what I do there, and just be very slow. You can still throw it off, but I just hit one corner to one corner and drop her, bro. And she'll be perfectly lined up and everything, trust me. This is how you lay 3M carbon fiber pieces, or any 3M, honestly. And this one right here is gonna go here, and I can just butt this one always to right here first. So what we'll do is we're gonna move this back. I'll move this back. And when I put this on here, if you look, I'm gonna line her up right there. You see that? That's a pattern. You ain't really never gonna even notice it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get back to you on this because this might take me a minute. There's a pattern to this. There's a pattern to this. This is the toughest part out of everything in this whole thing, is getting this pattern to line up with that pattern. And I gotta move this to do this right. Okay? And that's how I'm rocking with it. And there she is. She's in there. I got the towel. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, Hobbs, you ready?
Here's
the feeling.
The satisfying
The
part.
satisfying. like snake skin, bro. Wow, I like that. Alright, so here's the full wrap up. Got the trim on both sides done. Nice. Looking good. We out.